SharePoint has the ability to set alerts off of either documents or folders or whole libraries. In this session, I'm going to show you how to set an alert on a document and on a folder and on a library so that you can be alerted when the item has been changed. So the first thing you need to do is log into your SharePoint site and go to your libraries section. On the left-hand side here, you'll see the libraries. If we pick one of the libraries, we can then pick a particular file. If you just check on the file to the left-hand side, it'll highlight the check. And then at the top, under Files, you'll have an item that says Alert Me. You're just going to click on that and select Set Alert on this document. And the dialog will come up and there's a bunch of things you can change. First of all, it'll show the document name. It'll have your email or your account information here. You can actually add other users if you wanted to set an alert for somebody else, as long as they're within your organization in SharePoint. The other thing you can do is tell it whether you want it to be an email alert, which would be sent to your email, your inbox, or a text message. Then you also have options on how you want it to alert you. So the first thing is anything, if anything changes, and that would mean if anything in the document at all changes. The second is someone changes a document, someone else besides yourself changes a document. In that case, if you change a document, you will not get an alert. However, if somebody else changes it, you will. The other option is someone else changes a document created by you. So if they change a document that they created, for instance, you wouldn't get an alert. It would only be if a document that was originally created by you had changed. And then the last option is someone else changes a document last modified by you. Then you have different time frames that alerts can be sent in. So send notification immediately means exactly that. So as soon as somebody changes the document and saves it, you would get an alert sent from the system. You can also have it sent on a daily basis. So you can set a time. So if you wanted to have all of it's like 7 o'clock at night, get a report of documents that have changed, you would set a daily summary and then pick a time. And you can also get a weekly summary. So one day a week, it would send out a weekly summary. In that case, you'd set a day and a time. And at that point, it would send you all of the changes for that week. You can mix those notifications. So maybe certain documents or certain folders you want to be updated immediately. Others you might want to just get a summary at the end of the day, and maybe still others you want to have just once a week get a summary. You can just set those, and you can use the same or you can use different selection criteria for the different documents. So once you set that, you'll get an email from the system that will say you have successfully set an alert. And then from that point forward, anytime that document was changed relative to your specifications, you'll get an alert, again, depending on how you've set your schedule. So that's an alert on an individual document. If you want to set an alert for the documents within a folder, you would select the folder in this case. Still on the Files tab, use the same method. You're going to select Alert Me, set alert on this document. It's actually going to set the folder. You set up your parameters the way that you want to, and you'll set, in this case, an alert will be triggered if anything within that folder changes, any document within that folder. To set an alert on the whole library, so if we were going to look at this library here called SSGI documents, if by setting an alert on the library itself, if anything at all in this library changes, whether it be inside of a folder or just an individual document, you'll get an alert. And the way that you do that is you select the library you want. You go to the library tab, and you'll have the same alert me button. You're going to select that, select alert on the library, same criteria, just fill out whatever you want there and click OK, and at that point you'll get alerts for anything that was changed in that library at all. From there, if you're not sure what alerts, or you want to actually see what alerts you have set, or maybe you want to delete an alert, you can go to either one of these two buttons, the alert me at the library level or at the file level. You click on alert me and select manage my alerts. And at that point you'll get a screen that'll show you your daily alerts, your immediate alerts. You can highlight them and delete them. You can actually add alerts from here. But I think it's actually probably easier to do it from the context of the file system itself. So that's how you set up alerts in SharePoint. It's fairly straightforward and it works pretty well.